Hello everyone, I'm Kaveri Devaya and I'm here to tell you about the G1 Kitchen Cloth. This amazing product is perfect for all your home cleaning needs. The G1 Kitchen Duster is made from high quality cotton and comes in a pack of 4. Each cloth measures 16 by 24 inches, making it perfect for cleaning large surfaces. The cloths come in a variety of multicolored checks, so you can choose the one that best suits your home. The G1 Kitchen Duster is perfect for cleaning your kitchen, bathroom and other areas of your home. It is highly absorbent and can be used both wet and dry. It is also great for dusting and polishing furniture and other surfaces. So if you're looking for a reliable and versatile cleaning cloth, the G1 Kitchen Duster is the perfect choice. Get yours today and make cleaning home a breeze. When it comes to buying linens for your home, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best products that meet your comfort, style and functionality needs. Linens play a significant role in enhancing the ambience and comfort of your living spaces. Here's a comprehensive buying guide to help you make the right choices. Material and fabric. Curtains. Choose curtains in materials like cotton, linen or polyester for a soft and luxurious feel. Consider blackout curtains for better light control and thermal insulation. Sheets. Look for sheets in materials like cotton, Egyptian cotton or bamboo for breathability and comfort. Thread count is also essential, with higher thread counts generally indicating softer sheets. Rugs and carpets. Wool, cotton, jute and synthetic fibers like nylon are common rug materials. Wool provides warmth and durability, while cotton is soft and easy to clean. Consider the rug's pile height and density for comfort and longevity. Towels. Cotton towels are absorbent and soft, with long staple cotton offering better quality. Microfiber towels are also popular for quick drying and lightweight properties. Thread count and GSM. Thread count. Thread count refers to the number of horizontal and vertical threads per square inch of fabric. A higher thread count generally indicates a finer and soft fabric. However, extremely high thread counts may not always guarantee better quality. Single-ply fabrics are softer and more breathable than multi-ply fabrics. GSM. GSM is a measure of the fabric's weight and density. Higher GSM in towels indicates a thicker and more absorbent fabric, providing a plush and luxurious feel. Size and measurements. For curtains, measure your window dimensions carefully to ensure a proper fit. Consider the curtain's length and width based on your desired window coverage. Sheets should match the size of your mattresses, whether it's twin, queen, king or California king. Rugs and carpets should be measured to fit your room's dimensions appropriately. Design and style. Choose linens that complement your home decor and personal taste. Consider patterns, colors and textures that blend harmoniously with your existing interior. Functionality. Curtains. Consider the level of light control and privacy required for each room. Thermal curtains provide insulation, while sheer curtains offer a light and airy feel. Sheets. Opt for wrinkle-resistant and easy care sheets if convenience is essential to you. Rugs and carpets. Look for rugs with non-slip backing for safety, especially on hard floors. Towels. Consider the absorbency and thickness of towels based on your preferences. Cleaning and maintenance. Check the care instructions for each linen item to ensure they align with your cleaning routine and lifestyle. By considering these factors, you can choose linens that bring comfort, style and functionality to your home, enhancing your living spaces and making them more enjoyable and inviting. Happy shopping!